we've got our power landed. So the TextLight, it monitors the power and the battery condition internally. So if you would lose AC power, or if the battery would get low or go bad, it's going to text you and tell you your battery won't charge anymore, or your battery voltage is low, or that you've lost AC power. So just by landing these wires, you're going to automatically get a loss of power alarm. And when we connect our battery, you'll automatically get a low battery alarm. So you'll know to change it. And then the battery is rechargeable. So if you lose AC power for several hours, it'll run for up to 24 hours on battery backup. When your AC power comes back, it'll recharge the battery. And when it recharges it, it'll tell you that the battery recharged successfully. It'll send you a text message to let you know that. Now, the only other thing that I want to monitor on this control panel is a high level alarm. Okay, so for a typical small panel, the two critical things you want to know for a pump station is that you lost power and that you have high level. Well, in this panel, terminals B5 and B6 are my high level alarm contacts. So I'm going to land my wires on B5 and B6. So we've got our wires landed for power. We'll know if we have AC power present or not. We've got our wires landed for our high level alarm, the most critical alarm we want to know. We want to know if high water level is in our well. And then lastly, we went ahead and pre-crimped our connectors on, and these connectors will come in your accessory bag for the battery. So we'll go ahead and connect our battery. The blue wire is negative, and the red wire is positive. Okay, so this completes the installation part of the TextLight. First, we mount the TextLight on top of the control panel, and you can use the weatherproofing gasket as a template to drill your holes if you want. You secure the TextLight with 3 bolts and nuts. You mount the backup battery pocket inside of your electrical control panel, and then you connect your blue and red wires to your battery. You connect your 120 volt power. You need to locate power inside of your panel, and again, if you're not familiar with electrical wiring, you might want to hire an electrician for this part. And then the only other alarm we wanted to know was high level, and that was on terminal B5 and B6. So now that our product is installed, we can activate it online at pumpalarm.com/activate. Again, this is a cellular product like a cellular telephone, so we have to activate it before it'll work. And once we activate it, then we can send text message commands to the unit to configure it to notify us when we have a low battery, power loss, or a high level alarm.